President Emmerson Mnangagwa faces possible humiliation at ZANU-PF's upcoming annual conference in Mutare amid the reports of deepening factionalism and growing discontent within the ruling party's ranks. Tsamira mashoko okuda panguva ino chanikwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga's camp panguva ino has flexed its muscles. Panguva ino chanikwa kunzi for the upcoming conference ekwamutare vanogona kungoratidzira kuramba the vision 2030 about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timda mnamobuda kwa mchinzi. Zim I can reveal that the faction of disgruntled ZANU-PF officials is plotting to disrupt the Mutare conference scheduled for October 13 to 18 in protest against the controversial bid to extend Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the constitutional two-term limit. Tensions boiled over this week when ZANU-PF Women's League boss Mabel Chinomona publicly warned against spoilers such as seeking to sabotage the event. Speaking at Women's League Empowerment Program at Chikwetu Training Center in Makoni West constituency, Chinomona, a Politburo member, appeared visibly agitated as he read the riot act to party members. We have the conference which is coming up in Mutare in Manicaland province next week. We don't want things which are not good. Please, we don't want people who are destroying our party. Don't destroy your own party, she said. I'm the leader of the Women's League and I am ready to suspend people who are spreading falsehoods ahead of the conference. We don't want that, please. Manicaland Provincial Affairs Minister Meshek Mugadza urged women to take part in empowerment projects and announced plans to build a rehabilitation center in province in attempt to project unity and development amid the widening cracks. But behind the public speeches and pledges of loyalty, the Mutare conference threatens to become a battleground for power within ZANU-PF. As fears of open rebellion mount, Mnangagwa risks facing his most embarrassing show of defiance since taking power in 2017 military-assisted transition that toppled Mugabe. Domash Parubuda Pangwa ine anyokwa twins aiwa kempi ya VP Constantino Chiwenga yoronga kuda kugadzirira Mnangagwa size. Panguva ino kuri kwakunzi allies emutungamiri wenyika vakaita sana Chinomona nana Mavetera vanoonekwa pamapublic displays vachinouya vachipa mawarnings kuti aiwa musauposa bato renyu. Ndakome section medu dzamafunguro enyu moti kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chitwamba bell icon.